Hello and welcome to the 1980s. It certainly feels like it with this incredible machine behind me, Ferrari Testarossa. This has, at the moment, a full QuickSilver exhaust system, has a sport system, also has Decat pipes. This car is actually owned by a famous mountain bike rider, Bernard Kerr, who hopefully I get to speak to later. A really cool guy, turned up in this car for us to do our thing to it, driving it barefoot. It's left-hand drive, I'll show it to you. I mean, honestly, people leaving their Ferraris all over the place at the moment. But yeah, left-hand drive. This car came from the Netherlands, and when I say about the 1980s, I mean, wow. Yeah, manual shift gated gearbox. Look at the instrument dials. All you need is the crazy mustache. And some cool sunglasses and you're all there really. Loving it. So anyway, we're gonna have a listen to this. This is literally one of the loudest cars I've ever heard in my life. Well, there you go, Ferrari Testarossa, full QuickSilver exhaust system and Decats. Doesn't get much louder than that. That's why I'm wearing these. I'll see you on the next one.